Welcome back, fellow fans, and welcome back to Let's Mod Millenaire, the Inuits. Now, the last couple episodes have been featuring the Mayans and their banners, but this time we're gonna do the Inuits and their banners. I don't expect it to take as many episodes as it does for the Mayans, though. Now, if you watch the Mayans episode, you'll know that there's a culture banner, and then there are various village banners. The culture banner will always remain the same. It's an Inuit. I apologize. I'm probably butchering that. And yeah, this is shown throughout all the different villages. Whereas this village banner is unique to some villages. And it won't always look like that. It'll have some various designs. Let's start adding them. What do we have here? A tannery. Where's the front door? Front door's over there. What does it look like over here? Hmm. One, two, three. One, two, three. So if I do a village banner here and a culture banner here. One, two, three. A village banner here and a culture banner here. Or I can do a village banner there, a village banner there, and a culture banner here. Let's get rid of the culture banner there. Village, village, culture. Yeah, I like it. Culture, village, 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 culture, culture, village, village. Okay, let me make sure I deleted all of the exports. Yes, it is ready for export. So let's start exporting. Should I do some on the inside? No, that doesn't feel right. Zero, one, two, three, four, five. Five. Okay. What do we got next? We've got. What is this? The shaman? The shaman. Hmm. 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 Put some village ones here. Wait, it was right there, right? 1, 2 in, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 in, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 in, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then I can have some culture banners like that. Hmm. Oh, really? Do I have that blank area there throughout? I do not. Interesting. Hmm. Okay, so what about here? Yeah. Here? Yeah. Not here, though. Okay. So that's 2 done. Let's go ahead and export you and fall into the water. Okay, we got 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, what do we got here? This looks like another tannery. Oh. Well, that's not good. The changes I made are not here. Okay, well, I'm gonna probably do this again. These ones again off camera, because I'm gonna need to re-import the correct buildings. Bye, Fel fans. Well, we got 2 town halls done. That was something.